sobre.
Mommy.
So we're going to.
Mommy.
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to one of my friend. We will visit their house today. Just a quick visit. Yeah, say hi to them. You wanna say hi to them? Say hi.
Hi, George.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi.
So yeah, this is
So,
our outfit
yeah.
today.
Oh.
This one guys, meron ako na itong iba't ibang, same lang pero iba't ibang kulay. Kaya makikita nyo parang same lang. Maganda kasi yung mga ganitong suot kapag ganitong malamig. Turtleneck tsaka hanggang dito. So yes.
Okay, bye. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go guys.
So you're gonna message me when I have to pick you up. First thing. Your phone have battery.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi guys.
And you can just say,
Hi
listen.
guys. You okay?
Clouds. It might a little bit rain. I don't know. Temperature is getting better, but it's still not super sunny. Tomorrow should be better, so we're gonna go tomorrow somewhere. Stay home because, like I said, it's nice. It's not very nice parts there, so you better
We're going to see friends,
go somewhere
guys.
else.
You okay?
In the daddy car. Beep beep.
Ay mga loves, punta muna kami ng shop. Magbili lang kami ng kahit konting pasalubong. Ayan. Let's find something here. Oh, look what they have. They have cakes. Very nice. Let's find this. No, it's alright. Yeah, thank you. It's alright. Oh, I think. Which one you like? Which one? What would you like? What would you like, Raiden? You can choose which one you like. How about this one? No, I think we have that. It's alright. We have that. I think we have to choose different. How about this? Oh, you want this one? Look, you want this? Look for him.
Are you sure you're not gonna eat that tomorrow? Very nice, no? They have hot dogs. No?
Which one? Show me. Oh, yummy. Thank you, baby.
Not.
Raiden, come on. Let's try to find the cabanos. I'm gonna try to find the cabanos, babe. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, be careful. Let's go on the other side, please. Let's go on the other side, please. Let's find the cabanas here. Come on. Come on, let's go here. Come on. Come on. Here. 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 Let's get the bacon. Bacon. Which one is it? We We are now with my friend's house. Alam mo ba sa bahay, nainis ako yung lightning namin kasi. Dilaw. Oo, kahit dito nga. Kaya pag nakikita ko yung ibang vlog, sabi ko, ang liwanag ng bahay, ang liwanag tingnan ng bahay. Hindi kasi, smart, power saver. Meron na kami isang puti dito. So, nandito kami guys sa bahay ng kaibigan namin. Grabe naman yung pimple ko. Hindi na nawala-wala.
Naglagay ako ng broccoli.
Okay lang.
Pero hindi ko alam kung gusto niya. Naghiwalay lang ako. Meron kami sa doon.
Sino? Ako?
Hindi. Sa atin. Eh kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng
The journal stopped doing whatever he said. Turn number 8, could you pull over your phone?
Okay lang sa bahay.
Whoa, where'd you get that? Further questions. Yeah, great. Closing!
May midwife ata doon tumitingin. Yun ang sabi.
Hindi. May mga pharmacist na pwedeng mag-assist eh.
Kaya nga, pinapunta
Ano
kami sa
bang
Boots.
sinabi mo?
Si Mr. kausap.
Anong sabi?
Sa Boots nga daw, may tatawag na para pumunta na kami doon. Or pwede naman kami pumunta doon, tapos titingnan si Raiden. Tapos para ma-prescribe ng gamot.
Oh. Hindi kayo pinapunta mismo sa GP?
Sabi niya,
Hindi kayo na appointment?
hindi. He actually, what do you call this? He actually often cough early morning.
Saan ko nalagay yung screen nito? Ayun. Minsan nami-misplace ko, sobrang liit.
Kain tayo guys.
Ito ang nagpapaano sa amin, hindi pag kami gumagaling, may mga teacher yan na naman.
Sino yan?
Itong isang to.
How should the stool? Would it be easier? The stool? Isn't there in there? Where? Where is it? Yeah. Because when I've been eating there, it's like you can't get right up to the table. Just squeeze it past.
Gusto mo kung hanggang oras kayo dito? Gawin natin yan.
Mga,
Palamig
ano,
pa
3.
You got it.
3.
Kasi between 3 and 4 ang balak namin pumunta ng pharmacy. Pero, hindi, wait pa kami tawag. Pero kung hindi, sabi ko minsan mga 3. This is juice. I don't think so. You can not cup.
Ay, may tissue.
Water? Water.
Well, like, what's wrong with Appa? I'm 20 and he still won't let me drive the van.
Why are you watching on it?
Stole the van when you were 13.
I don't know. It's like
Do you wanna go there?
a bit basic comedy about
Come on.
convenience store. It's got the guy who plays the uncle in the live action version of
Yeah, but when's the last time you talked to Appa?
Airbender.
Sis, asan yung ano, wipes
You're
mo?
never gonna talk to
Ano
him.
ba? Ay, di yan watch there?
Sige, okay lang. Dito. Dala ko.
Nasa room ni Sam.
This is my sister Janet. Taking lunch.
Sister. Hi, Janet. I'm Janet.
Ba't ay wala si ano? Parang na-mention mo na kanina pero hindi ko narinig.
Hindi na din siya. Hindi kami. Ano, sabi nito, makaya siya ng motor, pero mamaya babalik siya.
Yeah. On the bus.
Ay, siya ng motor. My husband's first day off today. She says, if the weather is nice tomorrow, we can go somewhere.
Pwede.
Because I checked also, it's nice.
It's our midwife appointment tomorrow.
Oh yeah, what time?
11:55.
Oh. Till afternoon.
What appointment is it?
Wala ka naman.
Hindi man ako nag-record. Ay, nag-record pala ako. Akala ko hindi ako nag-record. Kain guys.
Paborito ko to munggo na may pata pag sa Pilipinas. Kasi yung
Nagluluto ko nito sa bahay kasi si Mr. mahilig sa pata. Then, saan ka
ka kumukuha ng pata?
Sa Polish shop.
Yung as in may buto-buto pa, tapos
Oo, sa
may
Polish
balat.
shop or dun sa tapat ng sa Lidl, tatawid. Yung mga shop dyan, mayroon dyang shop. Pakita ko, mag-picture ako.
Ay,
Pakita
may
ko.
some ano dun, di ba? Some supermarket.
Hindi, small shop lang siya, red ang gate, ang ano lang, ang gate. Pakita ko, pipicturean ko siya, tapos pakita ko sa'yo, para alam mo kung saan parte siya. Tapos, dun kami bumibili, may mga pata dun.
Swatch is the trick on that.
What is that right there?
It's got like a leash.
Ay, ano yan kasi, pwedeng pindutin, parang pet ba? Pindutin tapos maglalakad.
Dinosaur!
Everything they teach you in school is a lie. What's the truth? The world is controlled by shadowy elites, shape-shifting lizard
Hindi pa siya kumain hanggang mula nung isang araw.
Look, you can make it say boobs.
Parang si Mr. Good, hindi naiinggit, no, pag kumakain.
Hindi, minsan inasar niya ako kasi minsan nagpapakuha ako ng toast kagabi.
Sinakasama mo siya?
Hindi. Nang aasar siya, yung parang,
Is there out of batteries in it?
oh, maybe. You can open it,
Is there a switch to switch it on and off?
No?
Oh,
But
yeah.
you can open it then. That's right. It's like the elbow one.
Don't listen to my father, kids. He gets his news from Facebook and Ambien.
Ambient's a great drug. Really clarifies some things.
Nahanap ko yung camera mo kung nasaan. Kaya nga. Ay, mamaya sabihin mo kay Mr.
Pwede na dito.
Oo, papuntahin ko din sa loob ko. Sabi ko, mag-stay ka naman dito konti.
It's a dosage room.
Oh!
Ones with the cheese and crust.
Retiring is tough, but there's more positive ways to get my attention than taking down the deep state. Besides, today, I am finally getting that promotion. Imagine me pulling the office with an iron fist.
Kakatulog lang ba ni Samson?
In the front room, then.
Of a dolphin.
Sarap ng munggo ko mga love. Luto ni sister.
He could be thought styles on
He's moving. I don't know if he's awake.
Guilty. And I'm Andre, head of biochem.
No one's gonna check on
I have the stuff that gave Ronald Reagan Alzheimer's. Wow, what a group. Or can I call you the dad?
Did you come up with that?
Gusto ko to din minsan, maglagay ako ng sotanghon. So, bye everyone! Going home now, guys. Uwi na kami mga loves kasi hapon na. Tsaka pupunta kami ng, pharmacy.
Or you're buying cheap car and you go in and making money. But people, they are lazy. They prefer to have nice kids and take everything from the benefits. So people like me paying higher taxes. It's lazy. It's lazy people. Sometimes. So you told them that we have found out
Yes, before.
before?
They know that before, or I just mentioned it a while ago. But I didn't say like very clear.
Did they say where? What? Found out? What kind of?
Because when I say it's like very quick and I didn't even explain because when Raiden is running like that, so I cannot talk straight. So that's why I just say, well,
Hello mga loves. We're going to the GP. We just went to the pharmacy and they say we have to come back there just to speak with these people there, and then we will see how it goes. Now we stuck in the traffic. It's traffic, guys. As you can see, it's traffic. So now I think it's 4 p.m. 4:30. Yes, Rita? Hello mga loves. So, nakauwi na kami ng bahay. Nakakain na kami. Ngayon, maghugas ako ng pinggan. Hindi ko na kayo nabalitaan kanina kasi medyo busy. Tapos naulan. So ngayon is nandito na kami sa bahay. Ngayon naghuhugas na ako. After neto ay magpapahinga and then get shower. And yeah, so samahan niyo ako maghugas ng pinggan. yan mga loves. Tapos na tayo. So, naligo ako. Grabe, busy day. Busy maghapon. Ay, nako. Grabe yung pimples ko. Hindi na nawala-wala. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Pasensya na kung hindi gaanong kompleto yung vlog natin kasi at the same time nag-aaral pa lang din ako mag-vlog. So thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Be good.